Our next problem is weather observation station 1. This is our station table. Query A list of city and state from the station table. The station table is described as below. As you can see, this is our station table. Here we need only list of cities and states. That means column. We need some particular column. Select. After select, whatever columns you need to specify here. City, comma, state. From city. Sorry, it's station, right? Station. End of the query, semicolon. In this way, we got output. Whenever you need to give column names, some particular column names, you need to specify here itself. And we need to separate each column with comma. Next one is weather observation station 3. Query a list of city names from station for cities that have an even ID number. Print the result in any order but exclude duplicates from the answer. If you are confusing how to write query for after reading question, you just write the query whatever you read. Now let's see. Query a list of city names from station. Has they said that they need only city names. Select city from station. From station. Afterwards, for cities that have an even ID number, here we need to check the condition, right? For condition, we will use where class, where ID below 2 equal to 0. This is condition for to check whether ID is even number or odd number. As you can see that whenever it is even, we will get city name. And next one is to print in ascending order or descending order. They said even in question itself they said that you can print any order, but here we need to remove duplicate cities. First let us run our query. As you can see that we got multiple city names. Now I want to remove duplicates. To remove duplicates, here we need to write distinct after select. Select distinct. Distinct. As you can see that we got correct output and I'm submitting it. Next question. Next is weather observation station 4. Find the difference between the total number of city entries in the table and the number of distinct city entries in the table. The station table is described as below, and this is about LAT underscore n is represented as northern latitude, western latitude, like that. For and after reading this question, this is they given one example to understand what we need to print. As you can see that, for example, if there are three records in the city table with the city value New York, Bangalore, then there are two different city names, New York and Bangalore. The query returns 1 because total number of records is 3 and distinct is 2. So we got 1 as an our output. To print this, first we need to this question. Now first here we need to know count of unique cities and count of total cities. As we know that we have aggregate functions like max, min, count, average, like that we have average, like that we have aggregate functions, right? Now I am going to use count function. Select first count of cities, count of city minus count of distinct cities. As I said before, right, whenever you want to know unique records, then we will use distinct cities from table name is station. In this way we will solve this problem.